Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can reset your forgotten Roblox password. Okay, let's get into it guys. Let's say that you want to log into Roblox but you don't remember your password. You keep entering the wrong password, and if you have this problem guys, don't worry. Here in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can reset your password on Roblox. You just need to go to this menu guys, forgot password or username, and then it will bring you to the Roblox website, and then you need to enter your email or your phone number. For example, here if you enter your email, Roblox will send you an email and you will be able to change your password from there. So just enter your email, and then the Roblox will give you like code and you can reset your password. Okay guys, and that's how you can reset forgotten Roblox password. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.